tampo ng mami, ano man ang ano, pag anak mo nakita mo, nalimot mo na lahat. Yayakapin mo yan. Sa'yo yan eh, laman at dugo mo yan. Pero nung concert, naiyak ako dahil, it was the sudden realization na first time naming tatlo magkasama. Na naiyak ako kasi minsan, kami yung pamilya eh. Tapos naiyak ako dahil parang tinitingnan ko yung anak ko, I felt so bad that she had to go through yung emotional roller coaster din niya dahil sa paghihiwalay namin habang lumalaki siya. So that hurt me the most. Doon ako naiyak. And parang I was just looking at them, the two of them, and then looking at us. And then we had an audience in front of us na nagmamahal sa amin. Parang, I wanted to tell Gabby, we lost so much. Parang bakit? Okay naman tayo nun eh. Ba't ganun? Most of all for Casey. Parang kung pwede ko lang ako experience ng ibang batang buo yung pamilya, yun ang, sa dami ng nabigay ko sa kanya, yun ang di ko nabigay. So, tsaka hindi lang ako, pati papa niya. So, yun ang talaga nakakaiyak doon. And then, all of a sudden, pagkita ko nga na yung pictures after na parang, oh my God, kaming tatlo. This was my family. More than that, this was her family. The three of us lang noon. So parang, di ba, no?